back of the truck. Got it on jack stands. Now we're going to go ahead and take off the drive shaft bolts, which are 14 millimeter. Just for the camera, I'm going to go ahead and put it in neutral and rotate the drive shaft. It's not necessary, but I'm going to go ahead and mark it. Now we got the carrier bearing bolts. Go ahead and put something under it so it doesn't leak everywhere. 14 millimeter. .24 millimeter. I'm just going to put a bar in here to hold it. I put this in the vise. Now I'm going to go ahead and use a punch, and I'm going to punch the inside of the drive shaft. Get your carrier bearing. So you can see on the original it has the arrows. On the replacement it doesn't. So I'm trying to match it when it comes to where the mount hole is. Go ahead and install carrier bearing. So I'm going to go ahead and use the yoke to tap it in. Go ahead and put the nut on. And it's good right there. Taking the yoke off, checking in here. The bearing's sitting exactly where the other one was. So we're good to go. Here's this washer that goes in first. Now we install the yoke. Make sure you put it back in how you marked it coming out. I'm going to go ahead and put the washer on. Now we'll put the nut. I read online, you got to torque it down to 134 initially to set the bearing, back it off, and then torque it to 51. So we're going to do 134 right now. Now we'll go ahead and back it off. Now we're going to go ahead and torque it down to 51. And right here you can see the gap. We're going to go ahead and use a punch to lock it in so the nut doesn't back out. Alright, she's good to go. Now we'll go ahead and put it back together. Alright, ended up buying a new U-joint because the seal on the old ones got tore up. This is the part number from Napa. We're going to leave that hanging loose while we install the back of the drive shaft. Once it's bolted up and sits exactly where it needs to, then we'll go ahead and torque it down. Torque I found on mine was 65 foot-pounds. Torque online I found was 27 foot-pounds for these.